I'm Cécile Barrère, I work for Nexans. SmartPDF came because we were not so satisfied with the OCR process. It was quite hectic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. We needed to have a simple solution, quicker and more reliable. With SmartPDF, we receive our invoices much quicker. We have implemented it in 2 waves for all the entities that we have in Nexans. What we can see is that the capturing is getting better because you need to have the machine learning. It brings tracking, traceability of our incoming flows. Every invoice is arriving with SmartPDF as an attachment, which is the original email sent by the supplier. So this is new to us. We didn't have this tracking before. So this is for me a great value add, because if it's a non-invoice document, if there's some errors, missing fields, it's possible to directly get in touch with this sender. Second is the number of days it takes to arrive. It arrives in less than 2 hours, where before with the OCR it was taking 2 days. So it makes a great change. We had issues with US dates, mixing up months and days. This is manageable through SmartPDF because you can teach the system not to get confused.